Hello. One fellow locksporter asked how it would be possible to get this kind of Abloy classic handbag padlock that has this press fitted rear end. So no plug here to be removed, or this rod. So first you need to pick this. I have picked it and then also made a key, semi-functioning key. Okay, now it functioned quite well. Then now remove key. Then I have done rod, a steel bar like this, shaped to the key profile, or then key blank like this. Is it a bit bended? Maybe because it, or maybe not. And then I insert it here, and then either hammering or something, but now I try to use this vise to do that. And then here to other end I use this some component of some old lock like this, and then I place them like this and then press here, and I hope that this will be removed. So let's try how it goes. Okay, now I have put these components, the lock to be cut, and then this steel bar here. And let's try to tighten this and let's see what will happen. Maybe I put safety glasses if something will blow up. Okay, now I have safety glasses. Let's see what will happen, if anything. Ooh, something happened. It seems to be removed. So, some dusty, and this. How I can get it? Now it's stuck there. Okay, this should fit here because yeah. So let's collect the components and check what we got. Boom! So now this is removed. Maybe it is bended a bit, but no big damage to the lock. And then if you press it with this same vise, I think you can close it again. Is it possible to remove the components from the lock? Of course, with the same concept, it's possible to remove also this, but I would not like to use that much force for this anymore. Yes, not willing to come out. Maybe I take a screwdriver and remove it with it. Maybe it bent it a bit because I removed it with screwdriver, but I think I need to make this straight again. So this is semi-destructive concept. Let's see what type of lock this is. Take the key. Okay, it seems to be functioning. No damage to this. I think this was not that much damage, either this, but this got some damage. Oh. What's that? I don't know. Okay, this way possible to get. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.